Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the most popular WordPress themes, Divi and Avada. Divi is a versatile theme known for its intuitive drag-and-drop builder, ideal for creating stunning websites without any coding. On the other hand, Avada boasts extensive customization options and a large library of pre-built layouts, making it a favorite among developers and designers alike. Throughout this video, we'll explore 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a quick look at these programs' main features. Divi features include intuitive drag-and-drop builder. Divi offers a user-friendly interface, allowing users to easily customize layouts without any coding knowledge. Extensive module library. With Divi, you have access to a vast range of pre-built modules, including sliders, galleries, and forms. Responsive editing. Divi ensures seamless responsiveness, enabling you to preview and adjust your website's appearance across different devices. Global elements. Divi's Global Elements feature allows you to save and reuse design elements across multiple pages, saving time and ensuring consistency. Avada features include extensive pre-built demos. Choose from hundreds of professionally designed website demos to jumpstart your project. Fusion Builder. Utilize the powerful Fusion Builder to create complex page layouts with ease. Theme Options Panel. Customize every aspect of your website through Avada's comprehensive Theme Options Panel. Third-party integrations. Seamlessly integrate with popular plugins and tools to enhance your site's functionality. Divi offers 2 pricing options: a yearly subscription starting at $89 per year for unlimited website usage and lifetime access for a one-time fee of $249. Conversely, Avada follows a similar pricing model with a yearly subscription starting at $60 per year for a single website license and a one-time fee of $279 for unlimited websites. In terms of user experience, Divi stands out for its beginner-friendly interface and extensive documentation, making it easy for users of all skill levels to create stunning websites. However, some users may find its learning curve rather steep initially. On the other hand, Avada offers a wealth of customization options, but may overwhelm beginners with its complexity. Divi offers straightforward customization options, making it suitable for users without advanced design expertise or specific design needs. It boasts a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder and a vast library of pre-designed layouts, providing flexibility and ease of use for website creation. However, Avada stands out for its high-quality designs and versatile customization functionality suitable for various website projects. On the downside, Divi's pricing structure may be less favorable for single-site users compared to Avada, which offers more affordable options for such users. And additionally, Avada's extensive feature set and design options might overwhelm users who prefer a simpler, more streamlined option. Apart from Divi and Avada, users seeking alternatives may encounter themes like Astra and Elementor, which offer similar features and customization options tailored to different preferences and skill levels. In conclusion, both Divi and Avada offer powerful features and customization options for creating stunning WordPress websites. While Divi excels in user-friendliness and design flexibility, Avada stands out for its extensive pre-built demos and advanced customization capabilities. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on individual preferences and project requirements. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore Divi and Avada farther. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and tips on website building. Thanks for watching.